Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset BMW X3 computer. Park on level ground, switch ignition off, and wait calmly for 3 minutes before touching the battery. Disconnect the negative cable with a basic tool and allow systems to drain briefly. Reconnect securely, then use iDrive menu restart or drive cycle to let modules relearn. Keep key nearby and check for warning lights before you drive away. In this video, I will show how to reset BMW X3 computer. Begin with an iDrive soft reset, navigating to settings and choosing restart when the option appears. If iDrive is unresponsive, remove the key and wait 30 seconds before reinserting to force a cycle. For persistent minor faults, disconnect non-essential accessories and let modules power down. Drive gently afterward so sensors and control units can relearn normal parameters. In this video, I will show how to reset BMW X3 computer. Quick recommendation: bring some smart convenience into your garage with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which adds hands-free music and voice controls while you work on the car. It's compact, sounds great, and wakes up to your voice so your hands stay free for tools. If you want the link and extra deals, check the description. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset BMW X3 computer. Only choose a hard reset when soft methods fail and warning lights persist. Save radio codes and personalize settings because a battery disconnect can erase some memory. Use a quality wrench, disconnect the negative terminal, wait a few minutes, then reconnect firmly. After reconnecting, perform a full drive cycle and monitor for returned error messages or recurring faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.